Select numerous brands to sponsor your POPcast after you make a POPcast to the POPsphere. Welcome to the POPmercial Gallery. Choose from many POPmercial genres to filter the advertising themes you wish to explore. Each POPmercial carries an audience reach and an audience payout in POPtoken when placed in your POPcast. A POPcast has a desired reach predicated on 20% of accumulated content views from the collective native platforms. Choose your POPcast for a 4-week, 8-week, or 12-week run duration. 4-week runs have a higher audience payout than 8 or 12 weeks due to media buys are fixed for payouts of a specific amount in audience members, including you. Enjoy dozens of daily updated special offers from your favorite brands as well. More prizes for fulfilling your POPmercial placements. You will be instructed on how many POPmercial spots to place. When complete, your POPcast link is immediately generated.
You are officially a popologist.
And you are ready to publish your curated media stream and ready for sharing.